Hi, this is your realtor, Fainora Ivo.
And this is your agent, Jay.
And today, we will be taking you on a tour of the manor on the hill. This 7,200 square feet property was designed by the owners and built with lots of attention to details. Sitting on a 12,824 square feet lot, this home overlooks some of the best views in St. Kitts. This home was built as a family home with a self-contained one-bedroom, along with a one-bedroom guest apartment or for rental income. It was later converted into 3 separate apartments, a 1, a 2, and a 3-bedroom apartment, but can easily be converted back to a family home. The main house is 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The home has a wide open floor plan with custom-built floor-to-ceiling windows to allow one to control the amount of breeze entering the house. The windows were also designed to withstand high hurricane winds and tropical storms. On the second floor, enter the main entrance double door into the spacious foyer. The charming living room area is enhanced with several floor-to-ceiling windows, creating a very well-lit airy room. The main windows allow one to capture the fantastic views while sitting and entertaining guests. Decked with ample storage space, the kitchen area cabinetry are custom built with solid wood. This family area can be used as a guest ensuite bedroom as well. The other 2 ensuite bedrooms are roomy with ceiling fans and also air conditioning. Exit onto the balcony and enjoy the view of the Royal Basseterre Valley National Park and the city of Basseterre. On the ground floor is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment that is suited for guests or for rental income. The main master suite with a walk-in closet is huge, with a 6-piece ensuite bathroom. It has a large shower with shower heads on either side of the walls and rain shower heads for distressing. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this property, please contact us at info@iborealestate.com or 869-667-7575. Remember to like and subscribe.